Okay, so here we are in the Orange app by this project called Sign, and when you are there, you should look out for some things, and one of the things you should look out for is you go to your first thing first, go to your profile here. When you go to your profile, you make sure that it is come up here, make sure it is verified. So you tap on your verification, very important. Tap on your verification and be sure that your account is pure, is very much verified. Like here, come to verify. When you come to verify, you click there, excuse me, you click on the verify, then you observe that there are so many options. They say verify identity with a passport or BABT token, and then connect your wallet to verify assets. Very important. So they say or, meaning that if you don't have your ID, that's your passport, you can use your BABT token. BABT token, that's a Binance Account bound token. It's an NFT that you mint on your Binance app. You mint it from your Binance app. So that's what I use. That's why you're seeing that I'm verified. So how do you go about it? It's simple. You open your Binance, or let me see if my Binance is here. You open your Binance app this way. When you get into your Binance app, you have to fund it, not your wallet now, your normal Binance exchange. Yeah, your normal Binance exchange. You fund it with at least $1 worth of BNB. Maybe to cover for gas fee, you just have to fund me maybe with around $1, maybe 3 cents. That's about $1.3, to cover for gas fee. Yeah, so you just fund it. Just go to add fund, as you seen it there, your normal process receiving for add fund. You go to your add fund and then on-chain deposit, and what you're depositing is BNB. Yeah, so you know where to get your BNB from. The BEP20 BNB smart chain. You go get it. You can buy it with your USDT. Go to trading and then swap it. You can just swap your USDT to your BNB. Yeah. So, or if you don't have it, if you can't do it within the platform of Binance, maybe you have it somewhere stored in your Trust wallets or MetaMask, you can send in $1.03 worth of that BNB to your Binance wallet address or your account. So it can be in your spots over here, or it can be in your funding, wherever you want it to be. You can drop it. Yeah, not on your Web3 wallet yet, so take note of that. So when you are done, you go back to your home. Yes, you go back to your home, and then excuse me, you go back to your home, and you right now in your home, you go to more. You go to more on your Binance app. When you go to more, you click on it, and then you scroll down. You scroll down. Network is so not bad. It's loading up. Okay, you scroll down. When you scroll down, this is where your interest should be. You come over here, BABT. Yeah, you go to BABT. That's Binance Account bound token. There's it. You go there and then you click, because you need to mint it. It's a minting stuff. You need to mint that NFT. So you click it. It's going to open. Please, if you're having difficulty in doing this, you have to use your VPN. Your VPN must be on for you to run this effectively. That's from the Orange app. So this is the first thing you're doing. If you notice, look at here it's written that my own is already bound. As you can see, is already bound. So you that is doing it for the first time, your own might not be the same with mine. It's boldly written here. Look at it, that your BABT token has been issued to this very address on BNB Smart Chain. Yeah, so for you just have to mint it. So minting it means connecting your wallet. Yes, connecting your wallet, and the wallet you are connecting now will be the wallet that is on your Web3 wallet in Binance. If you don't know what Web3 wallet is, I think you should know it. But what it means that when you connect it, it's going to connect with this your Web3 wallet over here. Yeah, it's going to connect your Web3 wallet over here. Sorry, I need to use an arrow over here. Yeah, this is a Web3 wallet. So when you connect, it's going to that very token, that NFT, is going to be bound to your Web3 wallet address. So you should take note of the details of that Web3 wallet address. That's the seed phrase, passphrase, or however way you actually backed it up. So that's the wallet that will be connected to your Orange app. Take note of that. So very, very fast. You go back to your Orange. This is your Orange app, and then you now click on the one that you so wish to use. And with that being told, you should know that our interest is on this guy, which is the BABT token. So you click on it, and then you follow up the prompts. Yeah, very easy steps. Just follow up the prompts to connect, and make sure your VPN is on, for you to carry out these tasks swiftly. Very, very important. So you could actually stake some sign if you want. I don't know if I staked anyone here. Yeah, you can stake some sign here, and then to actually show that you're human and your interactions will registered, and those things will definitely contribute to your being awarded so much token if there be in future. Then you can also go to the NFT collection and then see if there's any one bound to your Web3 wallet address. I think Sign has an NFT, so you can research on those NFTs, and if something you can throw in some dollar, you can actually throw in some dollar using the wallet address, your Web3 wallet address, to purchase same NFTs. So you could come back, connect it, and if it's verified that address, the NFT is bound to such addresses, you also have this very one checked. I think for now that's it. Then finally, when you go back to your Orange app, this is my history. I have 2,510 oranges, and then these are my badges. And what you need to do is you could post when you go back to your town hall. Go to your town hall, you see activities happening. You could donate, like what I normally do. If I come to interact, I do these things. I like posts, and then I also gift some people orange on their posts. Yes, and I also comment. Very, very important. You could also copy their link. Maybe they say something that you love and you really want to share it. You could copy their link and share it to your other platforms. That's one of the major things I do. Then secondly, as an interactor, you could also come to plus, or the plus here. Then when you tap on the plus, just scroll a bit up. When you tap on the plus, you could do these things, and it's very, very important to do them. That's one way to show that you are active. You can post, you can build post, builder post. This builder post is maybe there's something you are building, or something you have built. You could actually share it for the team to see. Then you can get a link, from your S. That's your Twitter. It's a boost your S content with signs. So you could get a link from there and share it here on the Orange app, and your followers could engage. Then there's another one, is bounty. Bounty is a process where you create bounty with orange rewards. I think let me try that out. Like you could go to bounty, and then you describe, you say write a clear overview of what you expect, meaning what's the bounty all about. It could be like I posted one recently. It was a new month of September. I said, oh, what a joy to be here in September, to be alive in September. You may share such a joy. And then what next do you do after typing it? You create, okay, for everyone that interacts, you even over here, you can even write for everyone that follow you, that comment, that like, or that interact with your post, they win some oranges. They'll be gifted some oranges. After then, you now indicate how many oranges, the bounty amount, how many oranges are you ready to let go. You could say 500, and then if there is an image to actually describe what you are gifting those oranges for, you could upload it here. But if you don't have, still no problem. Then after then, you post your bounty. After you post your bounty, you allow people to interact. Those that are interested will interact. They will drop their comments. They will follow you. If they have done all the tags that you need, you could now go on to distribute those bounty to the same. You share it out. Let's say you gave out, your bounty was 200 oranges, and maybe 20 people commented, and you want to give them 10 oranges. You could actually distribute those 10 oranges to 20 of them, making up to 200. After then, you gift them. So this is one of the ways to also interact with the app. This is a social app that connects people together, and it's one of its kind. So please, you interact and do the best you could with this information. I think apart from that, I think there's nothing else. If there's anyone, we could still bring it up, so that and then invite your friends too. Don't do this alone. There's an invitation link here. You could copy and then invite your friends. So thank you so much for listening. We are gonna make it. Thank you.